In this lockdown, stuck at home, we're all looking for some activities to keep us busy. In this video, I'll share with you some free resources and other things at home I'm using to keep myself busy outside of online schooling hours. So, let's get started! Lockdown has given me some time to finish off my old craft projects. This sequin art was waiting in my cabinet from quite some time now. Hooray! I finished it now and I'm very happy with the outcome. And these are the two thermocol sheets from some packaging which I painted and then wrote some beautiful quotes on them. What is it that you've been waiting to do in your free time? Making labels for our kitchen jars was on my mum's to-do list from a long time. I went a bit creative and designed them for her on a website. It was a very interesting activity for both me and my mum. I designed and printed them, and my mum did the cutting and pasting them on the jars. I think you'll agree, they did turn out pretty good. In case you also want to give it a go, I used the online website called canva.com. I've provided the link in the description box below. I also use it for my YouTube video thumbnails. You can create lots of designs on there for free. Reading this Harry Potter series was on my to-do list. With spare time at hand, I've started reading the 7 series collection and I'm already on my book 2. They're so engaging, even if you've seen their movies. And sometimes, when you don't want to read, you can switch to Audible for a number of audiobooks available for free to listen, as long as the schools are closed in this lockdown. I've started with The Terrible 2 on Audible. You can find the link to free Audible stories in the description box below. Are you interested in cooking? I tried 2 mug cake recipes this week, 1 chocolate and 1 Oreo mug cake. I provided the ingredients for both in the description box below. They're very easy to make. Mix the ingredients, first the dry ones, then add the rest. Mix well and microwave for about a minute. And voila! Delicious mug cakes are there for you to enjoy. Entertainment at home. No doubt, telly is the most obvious answer for many, including me. These days, when we can afford to do a bit of binging, I'm trying new genres of TV series. There are 2 series that I can definitely recommend. If you like adventure, time travel, and aliens, then BBC's Doctor Who series is a must-watch. It's also available on Netflix. And if you like a bit of magic, then go for Just Add Magic on Amazon Prime. It's an amazing series with the story of 3 friends and a magical cookbook. As you know, online education is the mode of learning in time of this lockdown. I was looking for something outside of school curriculum and explored some options with my dad. Now I'm trying computer programming lessons on a free-to-use website, khanacademy.org. And for everyday learning, BBC Bite Size is my favourite. It has resources on a wide range of subjects. Links for these websites are provided in the description box below. Garden time is the time for some much wanted fresh air, and the weather's been supportive these days. So I do spend some time in the garden, playing badminton and practicing archery. I'm getting good at it and hitting the target more often now. I also take some of the other activities to do in the garden, like reading a book and some craft work, or occasionally enjoying a lunch in the garden. We all must have had memorable holidays with our families and taken loads of photos and videos, which you rarely get to watch again. But now is the time. I've updated my digital photo frame with some old photos from our vacations and we're thoroughly enjoying them. While we can't go out on holidays, but we can definitely relive the memories from our past ones. And in the evening, I watched the daily coronavirus briefing by the government, where they address the nation with the latest updates related to the pandemic. It's interesting to hear the questions in the press conference. They give us more insight into the current challenges related to coronavirus and give us visibility on what to expect in the coming days. Lockdown has definitely forced us to stay away from our friends and relatives, but technology can bring us together, even if it's virtual. I do video chat my friends to check how they're doing, spend some time on Skype with my grandparents, and speak to other close family members. It's always good to hear from your loved ones, so please stay in touch with yours in this difficult time. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you soon in the next one.